Now class 11 physics chapter 2nd kinematics. Class 11 chapter 2nd kinematics. In kinematics you will study two chapters in NCERT: motion in a straight line and motion in a plane. First you will study motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line, there are some definition terms: frame of reference, mechanics, statics, dynamics, kinematics, speed, velocity, acceleration, equation of motion. Three equation of motion you already have read in class 9th. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2s, and distance is nth seconds. So this formula derivation, there are three methods: general method, graph method, and calculus method. Mainly you will study here calculus method. So there are some definition terms you will understand: distance, displacement, rest, motion, these things. So now first see this mechanics. Mechanics, this is branch of physics which deals with the study of objects and the equilibrium of object under many forces is known as mechanics. So mechanics, for simplicity you can understand, branch of physics which deals with the study of rest of a body or motion of a body, or if the bodies or objects are in equilibrium. How objects will be in equilibrium? If there are number of forces and net force will be 0. So now mechanics you will classify. Mechanics you can classify into three parts. Mechanics you can divide into three parts. Classification of mechanics. First part is statics, second kinematics, and third dynamics. These three parts will study. Statics, this is branch of mechanics which deals with the study of object which is in equilibrium or at rest. यानी क्या हो गया? branch of mechanics in which we can study the object or body, substance which is in rest or in equilibrium, or you can say a study of object at rest or equilibrium. Statics, rest, or kinematics, the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of object, motion of the body without region. Okay, so this motion of study, motion of objects you can say, or a study of, in this chapter you will study motion of the object, motion of the object without region. Without region. Why the body is in motion? Region, cause you will not study. And here dynamics, motion. Okay, so here this is the branch of dynamics is the branch of mechanics which deals with the study of motion of object with region, with cause of the motion. Why the body is in motion? As you know, if you apply force, then body will be in motion. So here this motion of, or the study of motion of the object, motion of object with region. Why the body is in motion? So these three chapters you will study. Now there are some definition terms. definition terms you will study rest, motion. Rest and motion both are relative terms. Speed also, classification of speed you will study. Speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed, variable speed, average speed, instantaneous speed. In the same way, velocity also you will study. Uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity or variable velocity, average velocity, instantaneous velocity. Acceleration also in the same way. Acceleration, as you know, rate of change of velocity. Speed, you know, rate of change of distance. Velocity, rate of change of displacement. Acceleration also you will study. Same acceleration, different forms of acceleration you will study. Acceleration, uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, average acceleration, instantaneous acceleration. So as you know, speedometer with the help of this device, instruments, with the help of speedometer we can measure instantaneous speed of vehicle. जैसे मालूम है बाइक पे चढ़े हो, बाइक पर कार पर है और देख रहे हो क्या है, स्पीडोमीटर है। अगर तुमको देखना है कार का स्पीड कितना है तो स्पीडोमीटर में देख सकते हो 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, 60 किलोमीटर आवर। वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच मेजर्स द इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड ऑफ द व्हीकल इज नोन एज स्पीडोमीटर। में एक होता है ओडोमीटर। ओडोमीटर क्या है? द इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच मेजर्स डिस्टेंस। सपोज पटना टू कोलकाता जाते हो तो अब कार से उसमें देखो क्या है, इनिशियल रीडिंग ले लो और फिर फाइनल रीडिंग डिफरेंस करके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो हाउ मच डिस्टेंस यू हैव ट्रेवल्ड फ्रॉम पटना टू कोलकाता। देन by odometer you can measure distance. So now just these are the some definition terms you will study. So फिर this you have read these things, definition terms, class 9th already you have read. So you will study definition. Now mainly this is kinematic equation or equation of motion, you can say equations of motion or kinematic equation of motion. The three equations you are getting. This v is equal to u plus at, velocity time relation. S is equal to ut plus half at square, distance or displacement time relation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as, velocity displacement relation. These you can derive मेथड, किस किस मेथड से इसको डेराइव कर सकते हो। एक तो पढ़ा है क्लास 9 में ग्राफ मेथड, ग्राफ मेथड। दूसरा क्या है? कैलकुलस। यहाँ यू विल स्टडी बाय कैलकुलस मेथड। Calculus method. So in every examination you will get one question. In class 11 one question you will get to derive, okay, to prove. So you must study the derivation. Graph method class 9 में पढ़ा है, कैलकुलस मेथड जस्ट आई विल डिस्कस।